Good morning, children. Today we will do some illustrations, some questions based upon fixed capital account and fluctuating capital account and interest on capital, which we learned yesterday. Okay, then I read the question. K and R were partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. K and R two partners हैं, उनका sharing profit ratio है 3:2. Following terms were agreed upon between the partners. Interest on capital will be allowed 10% per annum. Interest on drawing will be given 5%, and salary to K for conducting business of the firm ₹5,000 per month. एंड फॉलोइंग इन्फॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल है आपके पास में. 31 मार्च 2017 के लिए हमें जनरल एंट्रीज बनानी है. इसमें कैपिटल है, स्टार्टिंग कैपिटल जो है ओपनिंग कैपिटल विच इज़ 2 लाख ऑफ के एंड आर capital is 1,20,000, and current account of K has 12,000 rupees which were credit balance, and current account of R which were 4,000 rupees which is debit balance. An additional capital introduced by K in between the year 80,000 rupees, and drawing by K and R both rupees 20,000 in the year. Then profit before above adjustments are 1,34,000. Then you will give journal entries, P&L appropriation account and partners capital account in both condition when capital is fixed and when capital is fluctuate. First of all, we will do journal entries. Journal entries we will do on the first entry, which date wise entry. Journal entries come will date wise. Then first jo transactions which is come on 1st October 2016. Then additional capital by K ₹80,000. First entry, bank account debit to K's capital account 80,000 and 80,000. Then on this date they also come drawing, which is 20,000 of K and 20,000 or R drawing. Then K's capital account debit, R capital account debit 20,000 to bank account 40,000. Is that clear? Then we will charge interest on capital and interest on drawing and salary to K. Then these entries will come on end, March end, year end. Then March end 31st March 2017. फर्स्ट है आपका इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल. Interest on capital which we charge. First entry, interest on capital account debit to K's capital account and to R's capital account. That is, we calculate here starting capital of K, which is 2 lakh and 80,000 he introduced on 1st October. So interest 2 lakh into 10 upon 100 into full year. पूरे फुल ईयर का इंटरेस्ट इस पे लगेगा इज इक्वल टू 20,000. देन 80,000 इंट्रोड्यूस किए हैं विच डेट, ऑन विच डेट, 1st October. देन 1st October टू 31st March इट विल बिकम 6 month. 80,000 इंटू 10% इंटू 6/12, ओनली 6 month. 4,000. K's interest total 20 4,000. Okay, then आर्स कैपिटल, स्टार्टिंग कैपिटल जो है, ओपनिंग कैपिटल है 1,20,000 एंड 1,20,000 इंटू 10% इज इक्वल टू 12,000. के introduced additional capital 80,000 in between of year, but R did not introduce additional capital, so interest will calculate on only opening capital 12,000. Interest on capital, K's capital total 24,000 and 12,000 of R's capital total 36,000. Then it will transfer into P&L appropriation account. P&L appropriation account, debit to interest on capital account 36,000. First we are doing question with capital fluctuates. So I credited capital account, not current account. If that are fixed capital, then we credited at this point current account. Next entry, 31st March 2017. Interest on capital will be completed, then interest on drawing, that is also 5%. Then K's capital account debit, R's capital account debit to interest on drawing. 5% rate दे रखी है, and drawing also 20,000 of K and 20,000 of R. Then 20,000 का 5%, 1,000. Transfer into P&L appropriation. Interest on drawing account debit to P&L appropriation account, that is 2,000. Next entry, interest on drawing completed. Next, salary to K for conducting business of the firm, rupees 5,000 per month. 5,000 per month, it means yearly salary 60,000. 5,000 into 12. तो K's salary account debit, K's salary account debit to K's capital account 60,000 and 60,000. Next, it transferred to P&L appropriation. P&L appropriation account debit to K's salary account 60,000 and 60,000. Adjustments, all adjustments are completed. Interest on capital, interest on drawing, and K's salary. I think there are no adjustment. Then we will transfer profit or loss to the capital account. To find out the profit and loss, we have to prepare P&L appropriation account. First entry P&L appropriation की, profit from P&L account are transferred to P&L appropriation account. 1,34,000. P&L account debit to P&L appropriation account, which is 1,34,000. Then we will posting in this account. by P&L account 1,34,000, but in bracket transfer net profit. Then P&L appropriation entries. First entry ये to interest on capital 36,000, to interest on capital 36,000. Bifurcation will be must. K and S 24 and S are 1236. Next, P&L appropriations entry, interest on drawing account debit. Then by interest on drawing KR 1,000 total 2,000. Then P&L appropriation की entry to case salary. Then case salary account 60,000. P&L appropriation account complete. Balance which will compute profit or loss. Total 1,36,000 and minus 60 and 96. Then 40,000 are profit. Profit sharing ratio given in the question 3 each 2. Share of profit K and R. 40,000 profit will come, which is distributed into 3:2 ratio. तो 40,000 का 3:2 ratio 20,000 K's capital and R's capital and 16,000. Total 40,000 and 1,36,000 total. P&L appropriation account completed, but journal entries are remain. Which journal entry? Distribution of profits. P&L appropriation account debit to K's capital and to R's capital account 40,000 and 24,000 and 16,000. Journal entries are completed and remaining partners capital account, because we will follow the method of capital SAR fluctuates. Then only one account is maintained, which is partners capital account. अब पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट की पोस्टिंग करनी है. फर्स्ट वी विल ओपनिंग बैलेंस ऑफ कैपिटल. ओपनिंग बैलेंस कैपिटल केस कैपिटल गिवन 2 lakh and capital of R student 1,20,000. by balance BD 2 lakh and 1,20,000. Additional capital entry K 80,000. Drawing 20,000. In the journal entry, at some places our capital account stood. Then where are the capital account when we are the posting in this account? Next, these entries are होगी. Interest on capital to K's capital to R's capital. So by P&L appropriation bracket में we will write interest on capital 24,000 and 12,000. Next, salary P&L application bracket में salary only given to R 60,000. Interest on drawing to P&L appropriation account bracket में interest on drawing which will 1,000. Posting we are doing from the journal entry P&L okay. Then the last entry P&L appropriation to case capital and Ars capital distribution of profit 24,000 and 16,000 by P&L appropriation share of profit. Clear? Share of profit 24,000 and 16,000 to R. Partners capital account are complete. We will find out the closing balance. This total minus this total. To balance CD. How much? 2,80,000 24 E4 E3 2,80,000 3,64,000 3,67,000 which is closing balance of the capital. Then 20 गए ये बचा 1 to 7 1,27,000 the balance of the Ars capital. In total 368 388 and 128 148. This question is complete according to method of capitals are fluctuate. Okay. Thank you.